Hey guys, today I am at Wagner Hagans Auto Museum. Okay guys, let's check it out. They have some really old cars here. Have some signs on the wall. Man, look how close they park these cars. Yeah, I don't really know how old these cars are, or I don't know how much they worth. Okay, look at this car. (1952) Chrysler Windsor Deluxe. Wow, check out this bike. Man, this thing looks so smooth. Like the paint job is.
I'm not sure what's all about.
I know, she's like, I went into a wall. She never said that. That's all I heard about it.
Yeah, I saw the Queen died, it cost $7.5 million to do the funeral. My question was, who paid for that?
The taxpayers paid for this.
I thought the family paid for it. Taxpayers.
Taxpayers pay for a cut of everything. They like get a check for being a royal family. The things they have to do, they get paid for to go.
They get paid to own everything.
They get paid to own everything, and then they get paid to like go to places like,
Welcome
hi,
to
I'm here
royalty.
visiting. I'm a
I
royal.
don't get it.
No.
But we live in America where, you know, I mean, I was born and raised poor, and I had to work my ass off to make money.
Yeah, well, you see there like all these countries
All right,
with their
happy
diamonds and
birthday.
shit.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
You too.
See ya.
Was it like it's only the royal family's cool to wear stolen jewelry, stolen shit?
I mean, it started a million years ago, 1,000 years ago. And they basically, they stole the whole thing, you know. And then they just kept inheriting.
Not here in Europe, but they just kept it in the family good.
Well, at least in America.
Anyways, guys, let's check out their steering wheels. Man, look at these steering wheels. Look how cool that thing looks.
I like this old dime from my grandma.
Look at the dashboard on this.
But you would have known what this is right away. More of a motor guy. I mean, I'm a diesel. I'm semi-truck, so more motor stuff than I need. She likes the appeal of like these style.
Yeah,
Right up her alley. Old Cadillacs, things like 50s, 40s Cadillacs. High school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at
I've
this.
been doing it for probably 20 years now. I'm a mechanic. I think I'm 17 years in.
Look at the dashboard on this. Looks so smooth.
Yeah.
Look at the paint job on this. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Okay guys, I'll be leaving, so I'll be talking to the owner and I'll be saying thanks for. Okay, thank you for having me.
A pleasure.
Yep, and yep. What's your name?
Steve,
Steve.
I'm one of the owners.
Thank you, Steve,
All right.
for having me. Yep.
All right, take care.
Yep. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Okay, guys. This is located in Columbus, Ohio. It is locally owned. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, guys. See you guys